It is very windy outside today and quite chilly, so I'm cooking inside the awning. But I do have the porch open and I also have the windows open. For breakfast this morning, I am making pancakes. I'm going to attempt to make pancakes. Let's see how this goes. It's looking like pancake syrup. Not pancake syrup. It's not looking like pancakes, but I mean the consistency I think is looking good. We'll see, I guess. Looks alright. Looking like a pancake. Yay! All done. Now we just need the pancake syrup. Food always tastes better at camp.
So sometimes it's really nice to just have a wander without actually having a map or a plan. We dropped my teen and my husband off at a bike place, and I sort of left them there and was like, oh, I think I'll just have a wander back to the campsite. An hour and a half later, I'm still wandering. So what I've done is I've used my OS app and I've just pressed record, and I've got a pin at the campsite so I know where to go to get back to. And then I'm just basically following any trails that I see on OS map that sort of gets me around in the vicinity of the campsite. If you go on all trails, there's not really hikes to do in Dalby Forest, and there isn't really either on OS map. But there's so many trails and there's so many ways to do circular routes that it's really easy to just do it yourself. But it is helpful to have an OS map so that you can track where you've been so that you know where you're going. For example, you can see a bit of the route that I've already taken. You can see the breadcrumbs, and the breadcrumbs is really helpful because sometimes you're not entirely sure which way you've been, so it's helpful to know where you've been so you know how to get back, kind of thing. And this is my pin right here for the campsite, and now I know exactly all I need to do is just follow that trail right back to the campsite. I am definitely in Blair Witch Project territory right here. Place is spooky as shit. It's so pretty, but so creepy. Would not want to be walking out here in the dark, that's for sure. Deer! Cody's just gone mental because he's seen deer. Waffle, where do you think you're going? You honestly thought you could chase that deer? Bless your little heart. Have you seen how short your legs are?
Good evening, campers. I am about to start making dinner on my Trangia, and we are having a very simple Hamburger Helper tonight. Nice and easy. Easy camp food. Cheesy sauce mix. This looks like vomit. Whoops, lost my spoon. Taste test. That's not bad. This is the face of guilt. Why is it guilty? Because I just took her and Cody for their last pee and poop run of the night, and it was wet. It has absolutely shat it down tonight. So as I was clearing everything up and getting ready for bed, I turned around and Waffleophagus was in my bed with her wet paws, wet dirty paws. Yeah, you be cleaning them now. You weren't cleaning them before you got on my bed, you cow bag. So now I have a wet bed that I'm trying to dry with this pathetic cloth. Thanks, Waffle, for that.